Today, I'm going to walk you through everything I've learned about digital business cards, from what they are, how to create one, and some cool tips on how to add them to your Google Wallet. I've been using digital business cards for a while now, and honestly, I can't imagine going back to paper. They're practical, modern, and make networking way easier. Whether you're totally new to digital business cards or you're looking for some advanced tips, you're in the right place. I'll share everything you need to know, with a few how-tos sprinkled in from my own experience with Wave. So, what is a digital business card? It's the modern version of your old-school paper card, but way better. Instead of handing out a piece of paper, you share a customizable, interactive card that can include way more info like your social links, website, and even videos. Plus, you can send it via email, text, or just have someone scan a QR code. It's super convenient, especially as everything is moving online these days. One of the coolest things about digital business cards is that you can store them in your Google Wallet, so it's always with you on your phone. Once you've created your card using a platform like Wave, you can easily add it to Google Wallet. Just hit the Add to Google Wallet button, customize the look with colors and design tweaks, and it's ready to go. Sharing it is just as simple. You can instantly send it via text, email, or even a messaging app. No more fumbling for paper cards, it's all right there on your phone. Now, I want to talk about QR codes because they're a huge part of why digital business cards are so effective. With Wave, we include a dynamic QR code, which means even if you update your info, your QR code stays the same. You don't need to worry about reprinting anything. And if you're into tracking data like me, you can even see how many times your code has been scanned and when. That's super helpful for tracking your networking efforts. When you add your digital business card to Google Wallet, it's not just a basic card. You're actually creating a pass with all the important info right there, like your photo or logo, your company name, job title, and contact info. And of course, a QR code that links directly to your full digital business card. All someone needs to do is scan it, and they've got all your details instantly. I know a lot of people have questions about Google Wallet and digital business cards, so let me clear some things up. Google Wallet is a digital wallet that stores all kinds of cards, including digital business cards. If you're an Android user, this is perfect because it keeps all your important info in one place on your phone. You can access it on any device where you're logged into Google, so it's not just tied to your phone. And yes, it works on any Android phone as long as you have Google Wallet installed. Creating your own digital business card is super simple. First, you choose a platform like Wave. Then you add all your details, name, company, contact info, and whatever else you want to include, like your social media profiles or a video intro. Once that's done, you can customize the card's design to reflect your personal brand or your business. Then you generate a QR code and you're ready to start sharing. So why should you bother with digital business cards when you could just stick with paper? Well, for one, you can instantly update your info. Change your phone number or job title, no problem. Just update your digital card and anyone who has it will see the changes in real time. It's also more eco-friendly since you're not using any paper. Plus, it's way more efficient for networking. You can share a QR code in seconds instead of fumbling around for physical cards. And the analytics feature is a game changer for following up with contacts after events. I really believe digital business cards are the future of networking. As more meetings and events go virtual, having a card that's easily shareable and up to date just makes sense. Printed business cards don't have the same impact anymore. A digital card not only makes you look more modern and tech savvy, but also streamlines your whole networking process. I hope this quick guide has helped you understand why digital business cards are the way forward. If you're looking to step up your networking game, I definitely recommend giving Wave a try. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions or need help getting started, feel free to reach out.